So by long wall short wall method, you can see yesterday we have started to solve the estimate of a single room. So we found the center to center distance as 5.3 meters of long wall, and for short wall, because the dimensions are same, you can see it is again 5.3 meters only for the short wall. So our next part will be, we will be doing the calculations for earthwork masonry, all the parts of it. So you can see here I am drawing the foundation. I am giving you the details of foundation. Okay, so this is the plinth, this is the wall, 0.3 meters, this is the first footing, this is the second footing, and this is the CC bed. Okay, so we shall see the dimensions. This will be 0.45. Height of the plinth is again 0.45. Again this is 0.45. This is again 0.45, and this is 0.3. This is the CC bed, and this is all size stone masonry. Okay, so now we shall see. This will be 1.2 meters, this will be 0.6 meters, and this will be 0.9 meters from here to here. So now we shall calculate the earthwork, that is the excavation. So understand what is earthwork excavation. You can see here the ground level. So below it, to start the foundation, you will have to take a trench of this size, and then you will have to put the bed, then the footings one by one. So we shall start. I'll put the columns. This is the first column, serial number, then particulars, you are going to write which item of the construction part you are going to estimate. So then will be the number, how many are there, then you will have the length, breadth, depth or height, whatever it is, then the quantity, and remarks. So these are the columns we are going to put to do the estimate for earthwork excavation. That will be our first one, earthwork excavation for foundation. Okay, so our first one will be long wall. So number, in the number column you will have to put how many are there. So you can see here, this is one long wall, and this is another long wall, and this is the short wall, and this is the short wall. So two long walls are there. So in the length column, from center to center you have but you are putting the foundation like this. Okay, you can see here. So one width is outside, another width is outside, half of it. You can see here, half the width is here and half the width is here. So it is extra outside the center line. So in the remarks column, you have to calculate the length. So length is 1.2 by 2. That is the, you can see here, width of the bed is 1.2 meters. So if you put a center line here like this, you can see half is 1.2 by 2. So half is here and half is here. Then you have the center to center distance, that is 5.3 meters, and plus again this side you can see it is 1.2 by 2. So length will be 0.6 plus 5.3 plus 0.6. So total will be 5.3 plus 1.2 will be 6.5 meters. So you can see here in the length column you will have 6.5. In the breadth you can see it is 1.2 meters wide. In the depth column below the ground you will have to add. Depth you will find out 0.45 plus 0.45 plus 0.3. I'll show you how we calculated it. Here from the below the ground level first footing is 0.45 meters. From here to here it is again second footing 0.45 meters, and it is 0.3 meters CC bed. So it is total 1.2 meters. So again 1.2. सती हे देखा तिथलं जरा calculator. So now we shall find the quantity of it. So we have to multiply all the 4. 2 into 6.5 plus 1.2, just a minute, 2 into 6.5 into 1.2 into 1.2. So it is 18.72. You also calculate it. For short wall, you can see only so much is left over here now. Okay, because already this part has been dug. You have already paid for it. Okay, so only this part is there. So if we are going to dig like this and like this, it is going to be extra. So for the length, again we will calculate for the short wall. It will be 5.3 meters minus 1.2 by 2 minus 1.2 by 2, because already this portion is over. So length for the short wall will be 5.3 minus 1.2. It will be 4.1 meters. So two short walls, length will be 4.1, breadth is 1.2 and depth is 1.2. So again we shall multiply it and calculate the quantity. 2 into 4.1 into 1.2 into 1.2. So it will be 11.80. Now we have finished the calculation of earthwork excavation. So we have to find the total. Our total will be here. Total quantity. It will be 11.80 plus 18.72. It will be 30.52 meter cube. So this is how we calculate for earthwork excavation. So after excavation, we should calculate the bed. Next part is, you can see here, when you dig the trench, after digging it is over, very next, after curing it, that is water application and all, you will put the bed. So our second quantity which we are going to find is CC bed, cement, concrete, bed, 1:2:4, or whatever the specification is given. I have taken the example. So again same thing, long wall. So you can see you have two long walls. Length will be 6.5 only, breadth will be 1.2 meters, but depth will change because CC bed is 0.3 meters. So the quantity here it will change. So 2 into 6.5 into 1.2 into 0.3. So you are getting 4.68 meter cube. Here also it is meter cube only. Then short wall will be 2, and you will have 4.1, same length. No need of calculation of lengths again. Breadth will be 1.2, but depth will change, that is 0.3. So I'll calculate it. So it is 2.95 meter cube. So total, again we must find the total. 4.68 plus 2.95, 7.63, 7.63 meter cube. So like this you will have to find the CC bed calculations. So here every time you should refer the drawing which is given in the sum. The same quantity you will have to substitute in the particular column. You will have to understand which item you are calculating, and the corresponding item in the diagram, its size, its height, its width, whatever is required should be put in the columns. So that is for earthwork excavation and cement concrete bed for a single room walls. I am calculating. So you can take down. Again in tomorrow's class we shall continue with the next part. So you can take a sum for homework, put some dimension, different dimension, and you calculate it. The same to earthwork excavation and cement concrete bed.